your French is also 100% or
That's
on
about
pay?
On pay, 20%. Enough to buy something and sell something and.
D'accord.
Merci beaucoup.
Today there was an issue at the vetting committee level. And the issue is that my own senior brother, even though he is coming from the lower part of b0ring, he's an Anglo, I'm not an Anglo. But you see, Bernard Ahiafor, his behavior is becoming unbecoming. And I can say on authority that this is the worst first deputy speaker that I have seen with my naked eyes since I've become conscious of myself politically. He is the worst first deputy speaker. It baffles me. It baffles me. It baffles me. Bernard Ahiafor. It's like he doesn't know what he's about. On Monday and Tuesday, yesterday, and the day before, vetting was conducted. It was so nice to see. It was so fun to watch. You could spend hours and hours before your TV set or on your phone listening to how vetting was ongoing. When John Dumelo came, Apenyo spoke French with him. They spoke Ewe. They interacted like brothers. Spoke English. And all. The chairman, the acting chairman then, who is Honorable Kweku Ricket, right, was so professional, was so mature in the role. It was like a family meeting. Then all of a sudden today, Ahiafor comes back, takes over again as chairman of the committee. And then when the deputy attorney general was being vetted, then his things came up again. Look, Honorable Apenyo Makin was asking Dr. Justice Srey that which part of water does it come from? And the man mentioned. And he was like, what is the dance there? Like, is he Agbaja? Is he Bobobo? Is he Akpi? No. So he said, what's the dance there? Is he can he dance Agbaja? You know, Apenyo Makin is interested in music a lot. He likes music. If you go to his page, he likes cultural troops and all those things. So Apenyo Makin asked that, can he dance Agbaja? And the man said that where he is coming from, they do not dance Agbaja, but they dance Bobobo or Akpi. Right? Now Apenyo Makin is like, okay, I know of Bobobo, but I do not know of Akpi. This is my first time hearing it. Can you demonstrate it in just some few seconds? Right? Now, there, Ahiafor interjects. We are not here for dancing. This is an appointment committee and we are not here for dancing. So Apenyo Makin was like, okay. The way the whimsical approach you used is not the best, and I am not happy with it. Ahiafor says, I take a strong exception to the word whimsical. And I say you withdraw. I demand you withdraw. Apenyo Makin says, I'm not going to withdraw. Hey, Senado, is that how you spell pharmacologist? I don't know what bonsa. What is that? What have you spelled? Pharmacologist. I don't know what you mean that. Is that to spell pharmacologist? At least you are behind your phone. Could have quickly gone to Google to go and search how to type pharmacologist. Then you come back and type it. Ma bondodo. Thought they be a mobo. Tibo kosu forward there, yeah, mubana. Tibo kosu forward. So Ahiafor says that I demand your retract. That your retract. Apenyo Makin says that if you even interrupted me rudely. Ahiafor says, will you retract it? Apenyo Makin says, so, Chairman, with all due respect, I won't retract. Okay, to show you that I'm the chairman of this board, That is the last question you've asked. And then that was the end. That was the end. And I was asking myself. So he called off the vetting. And so minority had to boycott the subsequent vettings. And that was it. But then, NDC, as they do, they started doing comedy on the vetting community. People will come, they will ask them, what did you eat today? Is your girlfriend or is your wife happy with you? Then people will answer, they say, okay, take care of yourself. Congratulations and bye-bye. See, this is my last statement. Then you come in. You can send your request now. Let me pick you. If you want to get a serious vetting committee as Ghana, I don't care if MPP is in power or NDC is in power, the chairman of the vetting committee must be selected from the opposition party. Yes. If you want people to be vetted, otherwise, let's stop vetting people. Hello Kwame. When the president appoints you, just go straight and go and work. Don't go. There will be no need. There's no need for vetting with the kind of vetting that I see on television when minority is not around. I was telling you, Peter Hexek, right? He's a Secretary of Defense in America right now. When he came for vetting, they were asking him why the wife was pregnant. The wife was pregnant and the wife has just delivered. And by the time the wife delivered, within 3 months, another woman was giving birth for him again. They were asking him in front of national television. If you are a public servant, there's nothing like private life. Right? There's nothing like that. So when people come and they are asked to do something, if you don't agree, there's other polite ways. Right? The nominee could ask and say, oh, today they are not in the mood for happy. You move, you just laugh over it and go. People came there, they spoke French. Was that place to test for languages? No, but people came, they spoke French. Okay, Lava just reminded me that I had to block him, so let me do that and then we continue. I like blocking, because auto blocks are considered umbre. So send your request, let me pick you, let's have a conversation. Everybody that comes up has 5 minutes. Please, let's stick within time. And as you speak, my moderator will be signaling you when it is time. When she says it's time, don't get bored. It is her responsibility that she's fulfilling. Okay?
Good evening.
All right. Volta Senior Minister, good evening.
Ahiafor.
Hey, sorry, I don't have my headset on. I forgot. Let me remove the lens. Good evening.
Yeah, Ahiafor. Okay.
So let me hear you. 5 minutes.
Okay, but I want to me contribute to that. Send me a work now. In fact, I'm share appointment committee, Yeah, but Ahiafor no MP. I catching off.
Oh, okay.
Onya anglo waya avano to Is a avano.
Oh, okay. Aveno level vona anglotoa.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thanks for teaching me.
Yeah. So you see
Then I'm sorry for saying he's the worst first deputy speaker I've ever seen.
It's the worst. You are 100% right. You are more than right. So Charlie, he's the worst. The person may just say, some mine on. And let me hear Nyama be brave by my dream. Say, I don't know. Sebi, emperor be asa. Yenya to me kakra ye pese ye chrese ye ne what power. The no. It doesn't it doesn't make sense. Because I find your markings, send your can last 2 days now. Rickett Hagen, Waya Charmine, or Actiano. Everything is very nice. Oh, good to know here. When Bibia just said there's no tension being everything is very friendly. Bibia is very smooth. Until then, no buy what is Hanya man buy. San on is subanti. Me say your constituency class obey ye be a business obey ye. They were all carrying the home, they were all young and mere managers. Why arrogant? Why arrogant? San not here. And you know, me and you be young.
Wow.
Quite concentrate. I have to be Bromon Penasem. But just say,
okay.
I want to hear the strongholds of MPP and this in Tina Debi or winning. And just idea. Oh no. In the social this thing, and you're very poor. But yeah, now me person me Bank of Ghana the no kakra.
Yo, uncle.
Is it the voice?
Yes.
In fact, President Mahama won. You him say we incompetent. Now the him say obe just say you ni so okofie a wakotena fie 8 years a war ba no. Just we sua lesson kakra.